Hey folks, Adam here, and today we've got my Teeline active noise cancelling headphones. These are the ones that I use on road trips when I don't want to annoy the other passengers in the car. I'm a passenger today, and these things are absolutely amazing. They have great noise canceling, but one of the reasons why I like them so much, super comfortable, super lightweight, and they last for 45 hours. I might have been talking a little loud there because they cancel noise so well. So yeah, I've had these for over a year, and they're in great shape, great condition, and they are my regular headphones for either going on a road trip, going on vacation, or just using them at the gym. Now, my own 2 cents, they do normally come with like a carrying case. I don't use the carrying case. That isn't for me. It's a nice enough carrying case, plastic case, pretty standard, zipper around the edge. But you know what? I just fold them up like this, and I carry them with me. Now, easy connection on my Bluetooth. They just say M1, and when I press this button right here, they sync in, turn on, connect to my Bluetooth on my iPhone. I've never had any issue with that. It is nice when you've got smart devices that you can turn on and off easily, and they just connect accordingly. It has you know, volume up, volume down, basic information, basic buttons here, and you can make them wired, comes with it, and you can charge them, which I do. I've got the charger in the car, so I can just plug them in anytime I want to give them a boost. For me, if I'm on the elliptical, I want to listen to a podcast, I throw on my headphones. If I'm doing rowing on the rowing machine, throw on my headphones. If I'm in the car and the wife doesn't want to hear my pro wrestling podcasts, I can just put these bad boys on. Plus, they're adjustable. You saw, let me show you that real up close, right? You can really get a lot of extra size out of these. I've got a big head, and now look at me. I've got way too much space. So I can crank them down, fit real well, and I guess it goes without saying, you can wear your glasses with them, and they don't get in the way of your glasses. That's why I was showing you with glasses and without. Teeline makes great headphones, great prices, and tremendous noise canceling. If you're going to be on an airplane, the loud engine noise, you don't want to deal with that, throw on your Teelines, you won't be disappointed. These ones are absolutely fantastic. I'm very glad I've had them. I've had dozens and dozens of different headphones to go through, and these are the ones that are my everyday use. I really like them. The bass is good, the sound is good, great value for your money. You're gonna dig them. Thanks for watching, and adios amigos.